Okay, here we go. This is a test run. We're just do test run first.
In Portersville, Pennsylvania, there is a land for sale. Sharon Scheidemantle is the one to call. Flex space. Reliable rent. Berkshire Hathaway proudly presents frontage, a stone's throw from Moraine State Park and Lake Arthur. This is your land. Call today. Your dream is calling, and you are calling Sharon.
That was terrible. Okay, there we go.
Right off of 79 at the Portersville exit. It's 3.5 acres on Perry Highway. Call Sharon Scheidemantle for details, Berkshire Hathaway. But right up front is a flex space. In the middle is a space generating rent, and behind a clean slate. Again, call Sharon Scheidemantle. And look how much stretch of frontage this has on Perry Highway. High traffic and a stone's throw into Lake Arthur. This is Moraine State Park and a frequent traffic area. Easily accessible, plenty of parking, and the flex space is massive. Did I read this right? Plus or minus 7,000 square feet. Currently operated as a stone showroom and warehouse, but it's suitable for many types of construction or retail uses. The middle building is currently rented and generating additional income, and the northmost building is approximately 4,000 square feet. Here is, you're looking at the 5-star stone and window design center and elite stone. But if you would like to see any more of these details from these properties, contact Sharon Scheidemantle with Berkshire Hathaway. And wow, look from overhead, you can see how much space there is. There's that flex building. Once again, that's the building generating income. This is the clean slate at the end of the block. It's beautiful. This is Two Horn Productions, and we are moving on to the next one. Let me know if you want to see more of this listing, but otherwise call Sharon Scheidemantle right now.